Alright, so everybody, hello, welcome to my channel again. It's Original
Country Girl.
Yeah, representing with another video today with Kountry Boi. So what will we be up to today, peeps? Yeah, so although I know I'm showing you one video already how to climb a jelly tree, man. A long time I don't do it, peeps. But you know what's gonna make this one exciting? We're going to have somebody that's not from here tell us like how does the jelly taste, why it tastes like, you know, which fruit them would rather over it, right, Country Girl? And in the midst of it also, you're gonna get to see me climb the tree. So everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's Original Kountry Boi, and I'll see you on the flip. Ka-chow.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss that stack, taking big swings, each hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how is it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Oh, look where you throw it, you know. Mama said me there close a video. Me not on that tree. Mosquito. That's supposed to good. Thank God for the branch. Yeah, we need to bring up a coconut so for rice and peas.
So now that I pick your jelly, we're gonna load it up country style in your shirt when you forgot your bag. And then we're gonna get a test subject to tell us how it tastes and all the like. Alright, peeps? So next time you see me, that's what we will be doing. Yeah, peeps, I told you, man, that I was gonna get you a tester, right? So, so he's supposed to tell me what it tastes like, man, what it reminds him of, if it tastes like chicken, all of that, man. Right? Do the honors, man. Da-dum, 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 da-dum.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Da-dum, da-dum.
It's not like the commercial stuff. Commercial. Bottle shit nasty.
Alright, so peeps, you heard it here first. When you get things original like Original Kountry Boi, it's off it what? Good. Yo, you got one over here, man.
I don't want to hold
You ever taste it?
So you gotta get you a video.
Alright, so yeah, man, peeps. So we have one more test. We have one more tester. This is the lady Sim Simmer. Yeah, out here with original Kountry Boi. No, she's about to give us her take on this. Oh, she went on and go have it.
Oh yeah, I don't taste that.
Whenever you get stuff original with original Kountry Boi, it have to be.
Oh wow.
Oh wow! It has to be wow. It has to be good.
The bottle on nasty.
Alright, you heard it. You heard it here first, peeps. Yeah, man. With the crew, Kountry Boi presenting, and that's what it's about. Now, peeps, if you like this video, as usual, remember to like, share, subscribe, and definitely, I'll see you all again. Ciao. Later. So I forgot one thing, peeps. I forgot to let them test the meat of the jelly, right? So I need your commentary on the meat. So I'll be digging it out for them, and they will be feeding each other. Oh, with my homemade spoon, by the way. Yeah, it's big as hell.
That's too much. Just a little.
Just a little bit. Them want a little bit, yeah. Okay, so, look nasty, huh?
Yeah.
You can use your hand and stuff if you want to use the spoon, you know. Yeah? You want me to get you a real spoon so you don't have to taste the skin? Do what? How you feeling, sir? You feel like you're about to pass out or anything? Let the medic stay close.
It really don't have a taste. It's just like
Jelly.
yeah, like
Jelly.
gelatin.
Yes, jelly.
Yeah, I don't have no taste.
Jelly.
Oh, so you put this with a fruit to make it jelly?
Oh no.
You eat this by yourself? But it
Yeah.
don't taste like nothing.
Some of them actually have taste, but regardless, with
I'm
some of
saying
them
you could
actually
put like
sweet.
mango or strawberry with this.
Yeah.
And make strawberry jelly.
Oh, that makes sense.
Make that more special.